Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a PS5 controller not turning on. So grab your controller that is not turning on, and then on the back end of the controller you should see next to a Sony little hole. So grab a toothpick, iPhone pin, earring, something along these lines, and then you just need to press from 5 to 10 seconds the button here, right? The hole. And when you press the hole, you will feel something that is pressing, right? As you can see here. And now as you can see here, controller is disconnected. So what you need to do here is to grab a wire and then connect controller with a cable, right? So connect it to a cable. Then you just need to press PlayStation button. And now your controller now is working with the cable. And then go to settings. Go to accessories, then go to Bluetooth accessories, and then here what you need to do here is to unplug your controller and then press PlayStation button. And as you can see here, now your controller should be working. And also what I suggest you to do here, if it's not working, go to controller general, and then also make sure that your controller software is up to date, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.